Hey guys, on this video I will show you how to import products from SaleYee.com to your Wix store using Importify. Okay, so first we're gonna head over to SaleYee website, find the product we would like to import to our store, and visit the product page. On the product page, we're gonna click on the red Add button. The Importify extension window will be open up, and we can edit the product title, description, and the pricing. You can also set a collection for the product. Once you're done, click on Add to your store. Click on the View link, and that's the imported product page at our Wix store. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to Importify YouTube channel for more dropshipping tips and Importify updates. See you next time.